guys, how you doing? It is Saturday afternoon, and today's tutorial is going to be about the recoil strike from my stick boxing program, or known as broken strikes. I like to throw and practice stuff, and the reason I like the recoil strike so much is because it resembles the jab in boxing, and I'm a big supporter of boxing science. And when I practice stick and knife and improvised weapons, the boxing naturally comes out of me, and so that's what I base everything on. So I like to start with just what they call central position. I just like the regular boxing stance because it simulates it so well. Okay, the first thing I like to do is the jab. Okay, the stick tip will travel straight out. Bang. Okay. Now from here, you practice straight out. All right. Then you can come from the outside. Bang. All right. You go this side, come from the inside. But you're practicing from here. You're not folding. You're not opening. Just practice from here. Okay. Just like boxing. Pow, pow. This way. Now you do the uppercuts too. Okay. Those are just single strikes. It's a good way to warm up. And then you walk over to the dummy and you just practice on the dummy and you just practice tapping the dummy. Okay? You get used to how you want your stick to travel. And you're letting your arm go in and out just like a jab. So basically you're punching with the stick. But you want to think about stick accuracy, okay? So once you got the singles down, it's really simple. Then you want to practice doubling up. Okay? 2 jabs. Okay? Jab this way, jab close, jab uppercut, jab uppercut. On the uppercuts, you can do backhand uppercut, you can do a forehand uppercut, okay? And they don't have to come straight up, they can come at an angle, that's fine. When you get on the dummy, okay, you know, when you practice the 2 jabs, you're just going forward and you're just practicing. And when you make impact with the stick tip, grab your stick, all right? Make sure you grab it like you're milking a cow. And don't let go of it. And don't open your fingers up. Okay? So the first one will be double jab. Okay? So you're just practicing double jab. Okay? Second one. Jab, come from the outside. Okay? You're opened up. Right? When you practice. Okay? Over here. Now, I like to move, okay, when I'm sparring, when I'm working this stuff. All right, I like to come in and jab, move, bang. I like to come over a little bit, so you know, when I strike, I'm striking, I'm coming to the side, all right, here. So you strike, right, you just move, all right. Now, the next one will be from a closing position. So you'll jab, step over. Jab, step over. Okay, the same thing here. Jab, step over. Understand? Okay? So remember, there was this, now this. Now we have uppercuts. So again, jab, step across, bang. Jab, step across, boom. Jab, step across, this way. Okay, this can go to the groin too, the knee, the elbow, wherever. Okay, but the idea is shoot that angle. Okay, and always come back to the central. That's the way I like to do it in what I call stick boxing. Okay, if anybody wants an explanation of that, just give me a call and I'll explain it to you. All right. When you do the uppercut stuff, again, it's better to move. Step here, here, strike up. Step here, strike up. Strike up. Here, strike up. And when you practice these things, remember when you make the impact with the tip, it's just like doing a punch. Bang. Same thing. Right? This is striking down. This is punching. All right? There's a difference. Right? We're not swinging it. We're punching with the stick. Okay? That's the difference. Okay? We're not swinging the stick through. That's something different. Okay? Now, other thing that you can practice doing that resembles the broken or recoil strike, Okay, for instance, if I jab and I step off, I can wrist snap. This type of strike comes over. It's not a line, it's an arc. It's an arc with the tip, okay? So I snap this way, I fold my hand back, bang. See, I can keep my hand back and reach for the tip. Boom, I come over this way, pow. Same kind of thing. So when you do it on the back, hey, strike, come over here, bang. Okay? Strike over here, see, you're striking down. Okay? So it could be here, top of the head. Okay? These are the things that you work on with it, because the idea of extend recoil, but the stick, I can say this, the stick tip is traveling in an arc. Okay? But it resembles the snappiness. All right? And of course, when you're doing the uppercuts too, it's the same kind of thing, it's just upside down. All right? Okay, that's what I wanted to share. It's very simple, nothing special, but with the boxing format, and if you understand using your hands as a jab, you can find your way around with this stuff. It's not hard, but it does take practice, and you're looking for stick tip accuracy. So again, the single ones are throw your jab, the second one, throw the outside, turn your stick inside, drop your stick, uppercut, drop your stick inside, uppercut. You understand? And you keep doing that until you get control. All right? And then the second ones are combinations. Double jab, jab outside, jab inside, jab uppercut, jab uppercut. Okay? And then the wrist snap is jab, step to the side, bring your tick back here and let it arc down, snap. Jab to the side, bring your stick tick down, snap. Remember, these can come overhead or overhead. They're sneaky, just like the uppercut ones are, okay? You don't see them practice too often, but they're very valid and a very good tool. Remember, this is just off using your hand like a jab. It's not a swing, all right? Those are different strikes. So they're very valid, very powerful. And then, of course, you can use those in combination with everything, you know, that you want to do. But those tutorials will come later. But I want to start sharing this because this is valid. This is a big part of my stick boxing program. So please, any questions, feel free to email me at billyboston@gmail.com or phone me at 818-987-1760. You'll get a self-defense boxing workshop message. Please leave your phone and I'll be happy to call you back. And of course, you can comment on Facebook or YouTube. All right? Okay, thank you very much. Everyone have a wonderful weekend, and until next time, peace.